Hi, it's the for the XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and touch section. Here you will see notifications, ringtone and alarm sections. Just to change them, select one from this sounds and alarms, for example, and use one from these available sounds or go to all ringtones. In this section we got media, ringtone and alarm volume panels, so just to change them we should just slide to the left or to the right side these panels. In Sound Assistant we could adjust the media sound in multiple apps, to use multiple audio sources and to allow the speaker sound just by using these swatchers. Let's go back. If you want to turn on or turn off the silent mode or to silence media in silent mode, you should tap on the swatchers. To activate or turn off the Don't Disturb mode, to set the schedule of the DND mode when device is locked, to notify about the calls, about repeated calls, we should also use the swatchers. Also, we could change the vibration to activate or turn off vibration for calls and vibration in silent mode. In profile videos for incoming calls section. Unfortunately, I have not here any videos, so in additional settings we could change the default volume button controls, to change media or to change the ringtone by this way, to activate or turn off the dial button, stop sounds, lock and lock sounds, charger sounds, silent modes sounds, the screenshot uninstalling app sounds, deletion items and startup sounds. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options we should use the switchers. And in sound effects we could just activate or turn off the Dolby items and to change the earphone control settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.